What's up, guys, and welcome to Casual Currency, the show where we talk about everything finance, everything investing, everything economies and currency and passive income and cryptocurrency, but in a way that's casual, laid back, and down to earth so that we're all on the same page, all knowing what we're actually talking about. And at the same time, I'm going to be showing you some of my trades and my investments as well, so that we're on the same page and we can see it from a real world perspective. Today is something big, and it's something the whole world is talking about and has been talking about. Maybe you haven't been talking about it as much if you're not from the United States, but there's a little known company that I want to talk about today. Let's go to it now. Now, you may have heard of these guys before. It's a little known company founded by a very unassuming and shy person. The company's name is Tesla, and the owner's name is Elon Musk. You may have heard of him, may have not, but I'm going to show you something that made me pay a little bit of attention. So this little known company named Tesla is listed on the Nasdaq exchange in the United States. And if you take a look at their maximum return since listing in 2010, they've gone up by 26,820.18 almost percent. Now that's a number that I don't think anyone can really scoff at. Now I live in South Africa and I don't have immediate access directly to the Nasdaq exchange, but I do have other ways. So what I'm going to show you today is how to invest in Tesla in South Africa, and in my own personal capacity, how that investment has nearly doubled for me just in the past few months alone. So let's switch over to the platform that we're going to use. So this platform is called Equities. Now this is in no way sponsored or connected. This is honestly just the platform that I use, and as the name suggests, I find it the easiest to use with the absolute lowest charges. I've used others before, but these charges really are the smallest and the lowest that I've ever used, and I enjoy the ease of using it. So Equities is what we're going to use, and if you're in South Africa, I might recommend it as well. So just before we get to it, I'm going to show you how we can do this purchase. This right now was my purchase in Tesla. And as you can see here on the right, it is up 93.93%, which is nearly double in just a few months' time. The reason why is because I bought into this stock when Tesla decided to buy billions of dollars in Bitcoin, and the numbers went down on Bitcoin, causing a drop in the share price of Tesla, and I thought this is a great entry point and I decided to buy in. So before we continue, let's take a look at how we purchase Tesla here in South Africa. So first thing is first, if you want to, you're welcome to sign up with Equities to get an account. Like I said, I have no affiliation, I just think they're very good. We're not going to go to equities or ETFs or crypto or unit trusts. What we're looking for are ETNs, which are exchange traded notes. These will allow us to access markets through the First Rand Group overseas. So you can see here Adobe, Alphabet, Amazon, and we can get into those as well. But obviously the one that we're looking for is Tesla. Now you're going to see two different options here. Tesla Inc. Compo ETN and Tesla Inc. Quanto ETN. Let me tell you the difference and the reason I chose the Quanto. The major difference is just when it comes down to the currency exchange. One of them allows you to, for the most part, invest in dollars, and the other allows you to invest in your local currency. Compo means you'll be investing in United States dollars where the equity is listed, and Quanto means you'll be investing in your own currency so that you don't have those market fluctuations. Now, where I am in South Africa, our currency is not known to historically do tremendously well, but I decided to use Quanto so that I don't have the additional risk of currency fluctuations. In the last couple of years, especially with COVID, those kind of things have been all over the place. So I prefer to know that my returns are based purely on the performance of the stock and not any kind of trade wars or worldwide viruses that affect currencies. They still affect the markets, but at least I know my risks are down to 1, so I chose Tesla Quanto. And from here it's quite simple. Obviously you have the graph which will show you 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year maximum, which will only show you for the instrument that's listed here. You go on to the right, a bit more information on the instrument, and you can do your purchase there. I don't keep a lot of cash in my investment account, mostly assets and equities, but on every 100 Rand investment roundabout, you're looking at 38 cents investment costs. Really not bad at all. Of course, that will differ depending on the amount that you use. Simply buy at best available, market order, and you can buy it just like that. Pretty simple. So for me, I bought my Tesla Quanto shares on the 20th of May 2021, and since then they're up 93.93%, nearly double. And there's a couple of reasons why I did that, and that'll be another video to come about how I made my profit in Tesla. But as you can see, it's done quite well, and past results don't imitate future results, but maybe it could be for you too. So if you are looking to purchase Tesla shares from South Africa, I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, let me know in the comments if it was something that's worked out well for you, and I'm happy and excited to see you in the future episodes. We talk about many more of these things, including the rest of my portfolio and what kind of returns we're getting or not getting. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time on Casual Currency.